有些有。Hello.
Oh,
What are you doing?
Welcome by.
I'm who's Chris?
Chris.
I'm
This is Logan, and since you have already two of our fine machines and a vision thing you had and a new vision you had, what's your feeling about our machine?
they're very good. They work smooth, easy to use.
Easy to use for
Good.
newbies.
Yeah. Good price. Good price. Yeah, we from the New Jersey warehouse we picked up both
Yeah.
of them, so that was good. But yeah, I mean, very good.
I believe you have searched some other brands as well. Do you?
Yeah, we looked around, but this one was the best option. I think.
Best option.
Best option. Yeah.
Price, quality.
Yeah, everything seems to be pretty good.
So
yeah.
it's up to your expectations.
Yeah.
That's good. And what are some suggestions you gonna when you run the machine? You have some advice or suggestions for maybe friendly for users.
For other users, yeah, I think if you have a problem, ask the support for help. They'll help you. Facebook page is good for help too. But yeah, I mean, just watch videos and ask questions.
You prefer some local service? Maybe?
We've never used local service. Always Facebook page or
yes.
We message you guys.
Message to Alan.
Yeah.
But if we have local,
If you have local service, yeah, yeah, we
That's
would.
better.
Yeah, easier a little
Okay,
bit, but
okay.
because of the time change, but
okay. Personally, it's friendly to use, definitely.
yeah.
That's good.
Okay.
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah. You're welcome. How often?
1 week.
1 week. Once a week.
Tip is behind, directly behind the left of the needle side.
The tip is directly behind the the scarf on the needle.
Scarf.
Flat part. Flat.
The needle has left and right side. One needle has
Go
left
left.
side and the right side.
Okay.
It's directly had left side.
The tip is on the left side,
Yeah.
just barely.
Yeah.
So for the transfers, but we had really small version of this. It was our
Small
first-
version.
Very small, yeah.
Okay.
So like this big. Yeah, and now we have this big one. So this is our biggest piece of equipment.
It's a combo.
Yeah, because this prints and it goes all the way through this machine and it
Okay.
comes out sticky. For the shirts.
This is for dryer, right?
This is the oven dryer. Yep.
Power.
Oh.
And look this.
After this is done.
What?
Done. Finish.
Yeah. And then you gotta go back over it though when it's
Ah.
really set in there.
How long is the drive?
Do it again. Twice. Need twice.
I'll put this at the right temperature.
It's only
This one's going up to 305.
And these are some of these are throwaways here, yeah.
And I saw you have a bunch of our plan, right?
Yeah, I just unboxed that too. I just got it.
So this is the most popular ones,
Right.
but others I just show you they are the
Yeah.
all the other popular ones among all our customers'
Right,
choices.
right.
Yeah.
And they just go on these two.
yeah.
Okay. And the manually before.
Yeah. It's hard.
Yeah, and it was
Yeah.
hard. It was really hard.
This one.
The placements were a little off.
Yeah.
back
Okay.
to cover
can
the missing
continue.
part.
Okay.
Walking there.
So it misses about 5
5
10.
feet.
Okay.